Potato crisps with creamy dill dip recipe. Yield, 1/2 cup dip, 4 servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 15 minutes. Total time, 20 minutes. Ingredients, the crisps. 2 medium potatoes, sliced into 1/8 inch slices with a mandolin, see notes below if using a regular kitchen knife. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, oil. 1/2 teaspoon salt, optional. Ingredients, the dip. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters tahini, sesame seed butter. 1/4 cup, 1 to 2 grams packed fresh dill, roughly chopped. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters water. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters lemon juice. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters white wine vinegar or other vinegar, white, red, balsamic, rice. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Directions, the crisps. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Slice the potatoes into a bowl and toss them with the oil. Season lightly with salt and arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. 3. Bake in the oven until golden brown, about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping once halfway. Keep an eye on them as the potato slices are thin and can burn easily. 4. When golden, remove from the oven and transfer to a rack to cool for maximum crispness. Directions, the dip. While the potatoes are in the oven, add all ingredients to a bowl in whisk. If you have a blender, you can make the dressing more creamy, my preference, by blending at high speed for approximately 2 minutes, stopping to scrape down the sides. Once the potatoes are out of the oven and cooled, drizzle the sauce over top or use as a dip. Yummo! Notes. 1. If you don't have a mandolin, you can also slice the potatoes with a regular knife, but may not be able to cut uniformly and so thin in this case. No problem. Just keep in mind they may take longer to cook, so keep an eye on them in the oven until they turn golden brown. 2. You can also use this as a creamy salad dressing, add an extra 2 tablespoons of water or water-vinegar mixture if you like thinner dressings. Enjoy! Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.